Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to solve the second layer of the Rubik's Cube. After this lesson, you'll be able to solve the cube until the second layer, as shown here. In the last two episodes of how to solve the Rubik's Cube using the beginner's method, I taught you guys how to do the white cross and the white corners. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to solve the edge pieces for the second layer. So now, let's get right into it. First, I'll scramble my cube. I'll finish the corners. So, now let's do the edge pieces. First, find an edge piece you want to insert. For example, red and green. But be careful, don't insert an edge piece with yellow on it, because yellow is supposed to be on the top. White is opposite to yellow, so yellow should be on top. But if you insert a yellow in here, for example, then you couldn't solve the yellow piece because one of them is here. So don't insert the yellow ones. Insert the ones without yellow, for example, red and green. To insert it, you can simply rotate it like this until you find that the red matches. Oh, it matches, so it makes a line here. Then see what color this is. If this is red, there could be two possibilities. Either this is green or this is blue. Now this is green, so green side is here and the red side is here. So that means this piece should be here. After you've aligned it, you need to move this piece to here, which is to the right. Remember this algorithm. To move edge pieces to the right, do this. That is the algorithm. Now you can see that it inserted. Let's find one which needs to go to the left. As you can see, this one is blue and I've aligned it with the line. This side is red and the right side is red. So this edge piece should go to the right. Then we would do the same algorithm again. Now it is inserted. For the last one, it is also to the right. Then we could do the same algorithm. Like this, and it is inserted. So maybe it would be like, then what do we do when it is inserted to the left? Well, if you are to insert to the left, then basically do the opposite of the algorithm I taught you. For example, this orange, when aligned, has the green side on top. That means it needs to go to the left. So to move the edge piece to the left, you do this. Now it should be aligned. So how does this algorithm works? For example, I'll do one with the left. Blue, orange needs to go to the left. Now, first you start by taking away it, so it's on the right. Then we take up this. Now, if you take up this, you have eliminated the chances of messing around with these. So after you take up the left side, you push the edge piece back here, and now the corner piece is away. Now rotate it back down and you'll see that although the corner piece is away from the white face, it has merged with the edge piece. So now we can insert them both together at the same time by rotating it here. So that is up here. So we can insert it like that. Now both of them has inserted together. This is similar to a way called DF2L, which is an advanced method of solving a cube. For example, I'll show you an example right here. To do an F2L, you basically do the corner piece and the edge piece at the same time. I'll make a tutorial about it later, after the beginner's method. So I'll do a little example here. So that's that and that's there. So if I do this, I insert them both at the same time. But this corner is incorrect, so there will be some algorithms to help you with that. So you have completed the second layer. Congratulations. Now I'll see you in the next episode. In the next episode, we will be talking about how to make the yellow cross and the yellow face. So in the next episode, you will finish the yellow face. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to press the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.